Hello, garden enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel Garden Fusion. In today's video, we were going to delve into a topic of organic weed control methods in a large garden. We all know how pesky and persistent weeds can be, but using organic methods can help maintain a healthy and chemical-free garden environment. Join us as we explore when to implement these effective weeds control strategies. Let's get started. Point number one, early spring preparing the soil. As early spring approaches, it's time to prepare your soil for a growing season. Implement organic weed control methods by removing any existing weeds and their roots manually. These ensure a clean start for your garden beds and reduce weed competitions for your desired plant. Point number two, mulching and spraying, preventing weeds growth. Apply a thick layer of organic mulch such as straw, wheat chips, or shredded leaves in your garden bed during spring. Mulch acts as a natural barrier, preventing weed seeds from germinating and reducing their growth. It also helps retain moisture, improving the overall health of your plant. Point number three, regular inspection throughout the growing season. Throughout the growing season, make it a habit to regularly inspect your garden for any sign of weed growth. Catching weed early allow for easier removal and prevent them from spreading and competing with your plant for nutrients and water. Point number four, hand pulling and hoeing. When you spot weed in your garden, utilize manual techniques like hand pulling and hoeing. Hand pulling works best for small, young weeds, while a sharp hoeing can be used to remove larger weeds just below the soil surface. Remember to remove the entire root to prevent the regrowth. Point number four, watering wisely. Water your plants wisely to discourage weed growth. Avoid overhead watering and instead using drip irrigation or soaker hose to deliver water directly to the plant's roots. This targeted watering minimize moisture availability for weeds, reducing their growth and establishment. Point number six, crop rotation and companion planting. Incorporating crop rotation and companion planting techniques to naturally suppress weeds growth by rotating your crops and planting compatible species together. You create a healthier garden ecosystem that minimizes weed competition and encourage beneficial insects to keep weed population in check. Point number seven, using organic weed suppressants. Utilize organic weed suppressants to further control weed growth. Organic options include corn gluten meal, vinegar-based spray, or homemade weed-killing solution. These suppressants disrupt weed seed germination or burn off the foliage, providing effective weed control without the use of harsh chemicals. Point number eight, late fall, cleaning and mulching. In late fall, after the growing season has ended, clean your garden beds by removing any remaining weeds and debris. Applying a fresh layer of organic mulch to prepare your garden for a winter month. This extra layer helps suppress weeds during the dominant season. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel Garden Fusion.